Hi everyone, today we are going to do the vocoder effect. This is how the vocoder effect sounds like.
You could just record anything that you want.
So let's see how to make that. I've already loaded a piano track from which I'm going to borrow these chords. So you can just ignore this track. I'll put this on mute. We'll add an instrument track first. Go to this plus symbol here. Instrument. And I'm going to take labs. I'll just load the piano. Now we are going to insert a MIDI track. So right click over here and insert MIDI track. Now I'm going to put these chords down here. Make sure they are aligned. This is the MIDI track and this is your piano track. You drag this open down a little. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an audio track and I'm going to link these chords to that audio track. So for an audio track, go to the plus icon. My microphone is already selected. I hit create and it has created an audio track for me. I click on this button. This is the record arm button, so it arms the track for recording. You can see the meter go up, and to start recording you just need to hit R on your keyboard, or you can press this button over here, the record button. You could just record anything that you want. It will fit in. You could say things that you want and it will play according to the chords. I hit R again to stop the recording. Now I disarm this track from recording. Just in case you don't see your FX section, it might be hidden inside. So you just pull this out, or it might be hidden within the track. You click on the plus symbol here, insert audio effects, and I'm going to go to uncategorized and I will see Tal Vocoder 2 here. This is a free vocoder plugin. I'll put the link of this plugin in the description. At the top here you will see the settings icon with a drop down. Click on the drop down and enable MIDI input. I'll choose the detune robot and I'll turn chorus on. Now what we have to do is we have to link the MIDI to the audio track. Before we see the vocoder effect, I'll explain to you why I have linked the MIDI track to the piano track. So the MIDI track on its own cannot play any sounds because it is not a VST instrument. So it needs to be linked to an instrument. So what I do is, now this track has been linked to this labs piano. I will link it to the piano track that we just created. And now if I press play, it's going to play this MIDI in the piano track. These are how the chords sound like. So I've done this just to listen to the chords that I have been writing. I'll unsolo these tracks. Now I'm going to go to the MIDI track and I'm going to set the output to the Tal vocoder. You will see multiple Tal vocoders over here because I've opened them previously. I will go to the latest one, that is the 5th one here. Click on this and now it should be linked. Now I can press play.
You could just record anything that you want. It will fit in. You can say things that you want and it will play according to the chords.
You can also mess with the parameters over here and you can try their presets.
You could just record anything that you want. It will fit in. You can say things that you want and it will play according to the chords.
And that is how you create the vocoder effect. Thank you for watching. See you.